These were the scenes in the national capital as farmers began their march to parliament from parts of Uttar Pradesh. There was huge traffic congestion at the borders like Noida's Chilla border since the police were holding security checks as farmers began their Delhi Chalo march. This amid the winter session of parliament being underway. Route diversions were implemented and the police set up barriers to monitor traffic flow. But why exactly are farmers protesting? What do they want and what compelled them to take out another protest march? Here's all you need to know. Basically, this march has been organized by a farmers' organization called Bharatiya Kisan Parishad. Farmers from 20 districts in UP are part of this march. From 6 December onwards, other farmers' organizations have also planned marches to Delhi on foot from other parts of the country like from Punjab. In fact, farmers have been camping at the Punjab-Haryana Shambhu border since 13th February after their march towards Delhi was halted. These farmers will also join the current march from 6 December onwards. They plan to walk daily between 9 am to 5 pm and rest overnight on the road. As per the farmers' organizations, the government halted talks with them after February, and this march is to draw attention to their cause again. The farmers are basically demanding MSP guarantees and compensation and benefits under the new farm laws. They basically have 5 demands. They want legally guaranteed minimum support price, that is MSP. They want waivers on farm loans, they want pension for farmers and farm laborers, they want that electricity tariffs should not be hiked, and they want police cases against farmers who were protesting in 2021 to be withdrawn. They also want justice in the Lakhimpur Kheri violence case. Remember, 8 people were killed in the Lakhimpur Kheri violence that had broken out on 3rd October 2021, of which 4 were farmers who were protesting against the now repealed farm laws. In February this year, a 3-member panel of Union Ministers Arjun Munda, Piyush Goyal and Nityanand Rai had met the protesting farmers. However, the farmers rejected the centre's proposal to purchase pulses, maize and cotton at MSP for 5 years. They insist that they want a legal guarantee of the MSP for crops, not contract farming. They also want children of landless farmers to be given employment and rehabilitation benefits. Now the farmers have begun their protest march to Delhi. They are likely to be stopped at the borders by security forces like they were in February this year. In 2021, farmers had launched a massive protest against the 3 farm laws that were then repealed by the government. Thousands had camped at the capital's borders for a year, but they called off the strike after the proposed farm laws were scrapped. They agreed to discuss their other demands, including guarantees, prices, and withdrawal of cases against protesters. In February this year, they started protesting again, saying that some of these promises have still not been fulfilled. This time around, no resolution was reached, and while smaller protests have been going on, now marks round 3 of protests by farmers who are again marching to the capital. Whether a solution can be arrived at this time around, we will have to wait and see. Until then, commuters in Delhi NCR are likely to face traffic snarls at certain junctures. Hope this video cleared up this issue for you. For more such content, keep watching Mint.